What has happened in BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit of the Day number 362. 3 more to go, guys, and then I'll be finishing up the daily show and moving into the weekly show. This one I've been kicking around. I can't believe I haven't got this in my collection because I really feel like I should. It's the chili vodka from Sons of Vancouver. This is their 180,000 Scoville made with bird's eye chilies. I don't know why I'm really doing this, to be really honest with you. I'm not a big spicy person. Like, I like spice, like a nice aromatic spice. I remember tasting this back in 2015 at Olo when I was building their like craft spirits program at Olo, and it followed me around for the rest of the day. Let's just say that it didn't leave me alone. It like the person on the bike really just chased me around intestinally and digestively for the day. But I'm more kin to spice now that I've been in Southeast Asia for a couple, like 6 months in 2019. I really do like that nice aromatic spice. So this might be completely different. It may not be, but let's give it a go. Oh, look at that color. That color just makes me cringe. I'm just like, oh, this color's just... On the nose, super aromatic. Really aromatic. It's not for babies. This is true. The description on the back says it's not for babies, and I probably shouldn't be drinking this because I'm a big fat baby when it comes to spice. Super aromatic peppers on the nose. That base vodka there is still there, that creamy champagne yeast infused distilled vodka, fermented vodka that Sons of Vancouver does. Oh, fuck. Oh. It's still super aromatic spice. It's super aromatic spice. It's not as hot as I remember. It's still hot though. Man, I really don't, I wouldn't want to be in the distillery this day when they're making this thing because your eyes would definitely burn out of your skull. It's very aromatic, nice spice, different complex spice. You get the capsicum, like sort of red pepper, green pepper in the front. Orange is definitely there. And then you start leaning into that sort of like big, bold, like big spikes. I find jalapenos like tiny little spikes, is like little needles, like ding, 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 ding on your tongue. This is definitely like big spikes, like punching through your tongue. To be honest, like it's really subsiding now for me. Thank God. But for your Caesars and that sort of thing, if you want to have fun, if you want to play tricks on your friends, it's a good way to do it. That's mean. Don't play tricks on your friends. That was a PSA. The chili vodka from Sons of Vancouver. If you love your Caesars, you like your spicy Caesars, you like your spicy food, this is the way to go for your cocktails, especially your Caesar mix, red snappers and stuff. Actually, a red snapper with this would be absolutely awesome. So, guys, thanks as always for the support. 3 daily shows left to go. I got to go find out 3 more spirits to taste, but thanks as always for the support, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.